Hello, hello, hello. How are you guys doing? Let me move the cam a little bit here. Perfect. So, yeah, so I drew out already a lot of stuff here. For example, such as volume profile of today. So we are right at the POC as of right now. We are not in any area of interest level. So for us to get shorts, we need price to go up in this area, tap this low volume node, and then continue the drop. And then we know that this push to the upside was a fake out. We took out FOMC high yesterday right here. And if you look at the 1 hour, we were not able to close that FVG. So the shorts still look very, very good. I'm mainly interested in shorts since the previous day closed heavily bearish as well. If you guys followed us on social media, you guys already know we took this beautiful short here. Literally 430 pips points, sorry, $43 move to the Asia low, 6-hour trade. Beautiful trade, to be honest. Beautiful trade. I took it on my Tradify accounts. I got them very, very new. And yeah, free accounts, $500 each, 1.5k. And I was in drawdown before, so on that trade I made on each account $800, $850. So you can multiply that around 2.5k with that trade. Really good, to be honest. It was very low risk. I risked around $150 on free accounts, so not even $500 risk, but high risk reward. Why did I go with such low risk? Because I was done for the session. I didn't plan on trading FOMC, to be honest, but then I saw that 15-minute manipulation. I was like, bro, this is a no-brainer. Let me take that trade. And yeah, that's what I did. And to be honest, it was textbook, you know, especially this 5-minute closing week bullish. It was just screaming to me, you know, like, Kadir, you have to get in the shorts, brother. I'm about to drop massively here. I was like, okay, brother, no problem. I'm gonna get in. Look, it was this trade right here. And this was the signal here. So a very, very nice trade, to be honest. Right here, you guys can see we have the short signal, and this was my execution. So we ranged like 15 minutes, and then the moment this 5-minute candle opened, 1 minute, boom, just dropped heavily. I wish we would have recorded that. I literally called all of that live, but yeah. Anyways, I just want to let you guys know, to be transparent, you know, because I said I'm not planning on trading FOMC, and I don't trade it usually, you know. But just before we were about to go to the gym, I was like, we saw that, and I was like, man, it's a no-brainer. Yeah, so let me check the chat here. Hi Roll9, hi Ahmed, how are you guys doing? Alhamdulillah, I'm very good. Universe, how are you doing, brother? Asif, Roll9 Wizard, how are you guys doing? Greg, good morning, brother. For me, it's not the morning anymore, but I'll take that. It flashed on the 5 MGC. What do you mean, what flash, brother? Let's go, guys. Live has started. Yes, sir. Hey, brother. Hope you are good. Yes, I am good, brother. Fine. How are you? I'm very well. Alhamdulillah. Harshad. Walaikum salam, brother. Hope you are good. Rosanna, could you please show how you draw it out? I know there is a YouTube clip about it, but could you please show? You mean the volume, Rosanna? Let me know if you mean the volume here. Hope everyone in here all having a great day. Yes, I hope so too. Nice proud life to make 2K. God knows I need it. Yeah, we all need it, brother. I mean, I had very tough times myself, but we all have to go through that. It's a journey, brother. It's a journey. But my recommendation is always get a job, get an income, and then actually focus on the skill, because once you get the skill, the money will follow. It's very simple, right? It's not good morning, lol, I'm in Swiss. Yeah, Greg, then you have the same time zone as me, brother. We are neighbors. So it's not morning, it's Mahlzeit bounce. Yes, please, the volume, thank you. Okay, where's Hamza, bro? Hamza is gonna come. Let him chill a little bit. The guy is working hard. So I'm gonna delete these now, and we're gonna draw out the volume. So Rosanna is asking for it. So what you are going to do, basically, I'm gonna delete this first. So you go ahead and click on this one. You will find it right here at the projection section. You have the long position, short position, and then you go a little bit lower, volume based, and then you click at fixed range volume profile. You will draw it out for the current day. Start off from the daily open right here, and then draw it all the way to the right hand side to the max. And then you will select this extend right. So then what you will have is every time price is moving, volume will get adjusted, you know. So look at that. For example, today's point of control is at 39.85, but the whole week's point of control, and we can delete this actually now. I just realized this. From Wednesday I will delete it because I have it drawn out anyways. I have the previous day value area low, I have the previous week value area low, previous day point of control, and value area high. But this is the current week. So I draw it out for Monday, and I have extend right. So up until Friday, it will keep on showing me the volume. And I just realized, guys, we have to post on IG here. The people on IG also have to be blessed with the stream here. Let's not forget those guys. Give me a second here. Give me a second here. And guys, if you want, you guys can follow us on IG. My name is Kadir _Xao. I don't even know. I think in English people don't say underline, but it's a line, you know, below. Kadir Xao, Hamza Xao, we both have the same name, so you guys can follow us there. We post all the trades that we take on the stream as short forms, and we also show a little bit of lifestyle here and there. Even though I don't like to do those things, you have to do it a little bit for social media. I'm the last guy, you know, like to show off or show anything. I'm a very private guy. I'm a very private guy, actually. Anyone who knows me knows that. I don't post much from my private life, because I just like my privacy. But on social media you have to do a little bit. So yeah, whatever. Anyways, let's continue here. So we have the previous at the point of control from today. This is from the whole week, and this is from today. So we are right at there. So Rosanne, then we continue with the low volume nodes. So if you look at this, we have big volume, big bars, and then you have right here, you have less bars. So this is a low volume node. And then up in here, it's very obvious, you know, you have the big bars and then low volume nodes. But interestingly enough, between the value area high and the value area low, we don't have any low volume nodes. So that's actually very interesting. I could consider this maybe as a low volume, like in comparison like to all the other ones, you could argue that this may be a low volume. So I'm gonna draw it out a tiny bit here. Look at that. London session rejected from there perfectly. I mean, London session really has been blessing people, in total honesty. What's that, you know? Giving a 5-minute manipulation as simple as that, and then just rallying up like that, giving 500 points. Yeah, pretty nice, I guess. So anyways, we did have a 50-minute manipulation candle, and I am looking for the shorts, but we just fell short a tiny bit here from the low volume nodes. Actually, let me check here on the M1. Yeah, no, that's correct, but we fell short a little bit, and these kind of things can happen, you know, because these are only 7 points here, so it can happen. But we also have the FVG there, so we really need price to come in those areas. Otherwise, it will not be possible for us to get a position here. And that's also fine, you know. That's also fine. We will wait patiently and see the market can give us a setup here. Yeah, hope that answers the question, Rosanna. Hope you paid attention. But also, I highly recommend you that you watch that video that Hamza did with the volume profile, because Hamza knows the volume profile much better than me. He taught it to me actually, so I learned from him. And obviously, if you want to learn it well, you want to go to the big guy, you know, the guy who taught the other guy. So in that case, Hamza taught me. Thanks. And you use the time frame you're entering on trading with to draw the low volume nodes. What is the significance of the low volume nodes? Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute. Always draw it on the 1 minute. 1 minute is also 1 minute is much more accurate. Significance of the low volume nodes is it's basically those are real imbalances in the market, you know. If you look at it, look, this is a low volume node, right? You see how price smashes through this area and then also smashes through right here. So it went through this area to the upside very easy and dropped also very easy. Why is that? It's because there is low volume, and if there is low volume in that area, with low volume I mean less orders. If there is less orders, for example, no sellers taking these positions, then buyers have to pay a higher price. They are forced to pay a higher price. Same goes for the sellers, you know. And so those are real imbalances in the markets, and these imbalances always existed, you know. These imbalances always existed. You can watch like some documentaries of the stock market from like 1950. You will hear experts saying, okay, we have an imbalance here, and that's like 70 years ago. So think about that. Hamza Gold, brother, you pay Hamza to learn from him. Yeah, that's top secret. That's top secret. Great, thank you. So when you enter a low volume node area and you are in a trade, you can know you could hold to the next high volume node. Yeah, like that. But it's not that easy, you know. It's a lot of times it depends on if you are going with the trend or not. So if I'm going with the trend and I'm seeing a low volume node down here, I expect that low volume node to get filled because the trend is bearish, for example. The bullish low volume node will get filled. But if the trend is bullish and I'm going into a bearish low volume node, I'm expecting the bearish one to get filled, but the bullish one to get respected, you know? So if the market is going up and here is a low volume node, I'm expecting market to push through that area and fill it. But if the market is going up and then we have a low volume node here, it can come down, retest that low volume node, and then go still up, you know? So that's that's the thing, yeah. Hope you understand. Rough crew, how are you doing, brother? Wizard, hello Hamza. Yeah, Hamza is here, is doing some I don't know, the back, it's handling here the statistics. Yeah, also guys, funding ticks has 50% off, so it's some like a crazy discount. So take advantage of that. I'm gonna buy 6 accounts myself today, most likely. I think it's for 48 or 24 hours, something like that, but 21 hours left, so make sure to take advantage of that. I'm not even saying it because we're partner or whatever, but honestly, you like just take advantage of that, because they don't do that often, and 50% discount is a big discount in total honesty. And for you to get that discount, yeah, Hamza posted that already. So yes, you get 1 week free with for the indicator, so make it count. You know, if you were hesitating and you wanted to have a free trial on the indicator, that's your entry ticket. So make sure to take advantage of that, so you can get also 1 week free from the indicator. And to be honest, that's a crazy deal. If you think about it, you buy the challenge, you get the indicator, and most likely you're gonna pass that thing with that indicator. So it's a crazy return on investment here that we are providing. No financial advice here, as always. It's just for entertainment purposes here, looking at some candlesticks and whatever not. So yeah, we have no idea. Let's see. So the 10-minute that could not close as a manipulation candles. Regardless of that, it's still closed strong. So we are ranging now heavily here. So if I include this as well, we are ranging for around 2 hours now. So 2 hours is a lot, but that means that we can get a really nice trade. Why am I saying that? So if we can go up, tap this FVG, and get a confirmation from that, we will have a manipulation from these highs like this. And then we can have a move to the downside like this. Hopefully we don't drop now to this area right away. And if we do, what can you do? You know, it is what it is. Let's make it a little bit more appealing here for the chart fanatics here. But yeah, let's see. So what is funding this? It is a prop firm. Yes, it's the futures firm of funding pips. A very good firm in total honesty. Funding pips has been around now 3 years, I think, and I have been using them since 2023. I started with them. I had my like first small payouts with them in the prop space, and yeah, they are doing a good job. I didn't have any issues with them, and now they are with the futures in the future space as well, so it's a no-brainer. I don't trade CFDs anymore, but since they also made the transition to futures, it's a no-brainer, to be honest. And I really highly suggest anyone who's trading still CFDs, try to look into futures and try to see the difference. We uploaded now multiple videos, and watch those videos where we talk about our transition from CFDs to futures, and yeah, see the advantage, you know. Like, for example, oh wow, look at that drop that I'm anticipating just happening right now. This trade that we took on FOMC, if I would have taken this on a CFD firm, my take profit would have not been executed here. Trust me on that. Trust me on that. Like, my take profit would have not been executed there. Look, this was the trade here. Can you look at the precision here? CFD firms would have not executed me right here. The spread here, because this move is big, guys. We are talking about a 400-point move here. So the spreads probably were 5 to 10 points. So it's really a no-brainer, in total honesty. It's really a no-brainer to make the switch to futures. It's cheaper. You have better trading conditions. You have a quicker way to your payout. The only thing that you have to work with is the consistency. But to be honest, it's not that hard for you if you have a proven strategy. If your strategy is actually profitable and you are a scalper, as we are, it's a no-brainer. If you're a swing trader, I'm like, okay, maybe then I get it. But anything other than that, it does not make sense to trade with CFDs, especially not during these market conditions where the spreads are probably destroying everyone. Şunu yap da bro. Benimki değildi nedense. Berman trade. Echt. Ja, ben duruyor. So yeah, those are my 2 cents to that topic. Kind of potential W back up to FEG. Then we see, yeah, let's see. We tapped now. Look at that. So we tapped the point of control of the week. So from Monday to Tuesday to Wednesday, tap the point of control here. And the sells, like I said, we fell short tiny bit, but the problem is that we also didn't tap the FVG, so we cannot execute on that position. So the 1 hour now is a manipulation candle. So we can look to position ourselves in that. But let's see if we can get an entry signal here. Yeah. Yeah, bakacağım şimdi. Does the free indicator for the week include the weekend? Yeah, it's a whole week. So if you're asking about those 2 days, it's included. But honestly, like if you just use the indicator for a couple days, it's a no-brainer to invest in that, to be honest. You can 10x that investment, no financial advice, of course. Rosanne bought 2 accounts, amazing. Abdu, hey, كيف حالك? الحمد لله, أنت? And does the indicator work on Bitcoin? And that's the beauty, guys. You have this tool here to the right top corner here. Long, short, bull trap, bear trap, win trade, total trades. So you can check the win rate yourself. We are not faking anything. You can go to any asset and check the win rate and see for yourself which asset works, which asset doesn't work on the strategy. So yeah, for example, Euro USD, GBP USD have a high win rate. I don't even trade those assets. Imagine that. And I didn't even know that the win rate was that high, you know. How long can you make payout after the funded? Technically, on some firms, you can get a payout in 3 days. On CFDs, you have to wait 2 weeks. So let me just tell you this. On futures, technically, you can get a payout within a week. From challenge to funded, you can get a payout in 1 week. Yes, that's right. And now, with the CFD firms, with the minimum trading days and whatever not, all those unnecessary rules, you realistically need at least 3 weeks. At least, you know, let's say 2 weeks. No, 2 weeks is impossible because of the payout cycle. So 3 weeks. Actually, 3 weeks also impossible. 1 month. 1 month because of the minimum trading days. So 1 month for the CFD accounts to get a payout. Best case scenario. 1 week for the futures accounts to get a payout. And I think that answers the question. For example, the payout that I got on Funded Next, it took me 1 week. I passed the challenge. I traded for 3 days. I got a payout of 8K. Simple as that. And you can pass in 1 day like Funded Next. Yes, you can pass in one. Some of them you can pass in 1 day, but some of them have. So with futures firms, it's like this. Either you have the consistency rule on the funded stage or on the challenge phase. So you have to decide for yourself, what is better for me? Do I want the consistency rule during the funded stage or during the challenge phase? Funded Next, for example, has it during the funded stage, but not during the challenge phase. Funding Ticks has it during the challenge stage, but not on the funded stage. So it's a preference thing. What I would recommend for beginners is Funding Ticks, because you don't have the consistency on the funded. You can take 1 trade and be done, you know, and you can take a payout, basically. Get paid. Ya zaten o yüzden ben. Ama bu verebilir belki. So yeah, let's go through the other questions. Also last week, value area low, it was a nice one. Yeah. Brother, I saw a yellow candle. What is that? Yeah, that's top secret, brother. No, I'm joking. That's just the indicator, brother. It's telling me, oh, a manipulation candle is about to form. That's what it's showing me, you know. So, yeah. Almost manipulation candle, I think depends your settings. Yes. This, for example, now is a manipulation candle. Right now. Before, it was an almost manipulation candle. This candle, by the way, is 180 points in volume. Crazy stuff. Advanced numerology. I bought the challenge. Perfect. You can open a ticket in the Discord to claim the free week. Show the proof. Tell us the time that you bought the account. And once the support team has checked on that, you can get the account. You can get the free indicator. You have to send your email and your trading unique name. Don't forget that. And of course, the time you bought it. So we can know that you actually bought it, you know. Yes, sir. You have a video in order to how to use that indicator. Yeah, we have a one. Yeah, I can show you guys that. So the manipulation candlestick is red. The almost manipulation candlestick is yellow. It's just my preference, you know. You can set it to whatever you want. So this is just my preference. These are my chart colors because I love to see my chart like this, you know, the white candles being the bullish ones, the bearish ones are purple, you know. But on Trade08, for example, it's green and red. So does really matter? I think here it does, you know, for the analysis and for everything. I just like it much better like this. And yeah, and we have a 1 hour long video going into detail, is explaining everything of the indicator. Hamza literally explained everything from the risk to reward to the settings to everything. He broke down all of that, you know, if it makes sense to go for a 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 1-to-3, 1-to-4, 1-to-5, and he went through multiple assets, you know. So he gave away literally everything and all the stats and all the statistics. So yeah, since he's a well educated guy in that field, he's actually qualified to talk about the statistics, whereas I may not be as qualified as him, you know, because I didn't work in like European Union projects, you know. I can't even pronounce that word for some reason. Maybe it's because in my blood. Some tendencies here. You know, you guys also give a like on the stream, guys. I mean, 18 likes, very low here. You have to up those likes here. And also, guys, don't forget we're gonna do a giveaway here. What's going on here? We're gonna do a giveaway, but today I actually want to hit the 50 likes. If you don't hit the 50 likes, I don't know. Apex accounts. Any size. And 1 course. Or let's do 2. Yeah, I'm feeling generous today. I'm gonna do 2 cores. I'm gonna name it also 202 funded course. And I think this is the biggest giveaway that we can do actually, because we have the course 2 times, and the course is the most valuable thing that we can give, in total honesty. Yes, we give it away for $200, something like that, but it's worth much more actually. Why we price it in like that? So you guys can, more people can afford it, and we can, more people can be blessed with the manipulation model. In total honesty, that's the only reason. Because if whether I'm getting $200 in my pocket or not will not really change my life. So, but I think the course can change your life, you know. I know courses have a bad reputation, and I think it's good that way, but they are so because there are like so many bad courses out there, especially in the trading niche. I mean, just a lot of garbage, to be honest, a lot of trash. The trash has to be taken out, so we are taking that responsibility, and we are taking out the trash by providing our own course and showing something that actually works. So yeah, me CFD traders, so I can't get account. Bro, then it's time to make a switch. Come over to the futures side here. I mean, it's not called futures, it's called futures for a reason, you know. We are trading for the future here. Like the CFDs, that train is long gone, guys. You know why CFDs was a big thing? It's actually because so many scammers were trading these marketing accounts on the brokers. Me and Hamza, we got the same offers, you know, and also from some big firms, from some big brokers. I'm not gonna say the full name. The first letter is no, I'm joking. This first letter is a V. You know, the first letter is a V, and yeah. So we are constantly getting emails from some random brokers, but also from the big brokers, and I think that all of them are doing shady operations. So stay away from all CFD brokers, whether they are regulated or not. It does not matter. Okay, if they are regulated, some of them are actually okay, but like for example, IC Markets. IC Markets, didn't hear anything bad about them ever, to be honest. But yeah, it's not worth it. Just go for futures, whether it is prop firms or personal accounts. For both, go with futures, guys. I remember back in the days I traded with a broker that is named based on a fruit, so that should give you the hint. If you guys understand it, you know. So the broker's name is based on a fruit, and that broker was dealing me, you know, like my buy limits were not getting executed, or my TPs. For example, the TradingView would move 100 points, but on that broker, on that fruit broker, it was moving 80. So I was heavily getting dealt there, to be honest. They were dealing me like crazy, and I didn't know all of those things, but my good friend, my hermano, Joel, he explained to me that yeah, brokers can actually do that, and I was very uneducated back in the days on that topic, and I didn't know that. So yeah, that's when I was actually yeah, experiencing all of those things. So do yourself a favor and move to futures, guys. Whether you're trading prop firms or not, personal account or profit, it doesn't matter. Just go with futures. No financial advice, of course, because if you can't trade, you will still lose money. So futures will not make you profitable all of a sudden, but if you're a scalper, it will make a huge difference for sure. Is it Robinhood? Last time I checked, there is no fruit called Robinhood. Ayhan. Öyle bir meyve yok. Brokan'ın adı bir meyve. That should give you the hint. I see someone is onto something here in the chat, but I'm not gonna say it, of course. Yeah, by the way, let's keep on the 10-minute here. Ja, zaten das ist ja ein minimale Dings, Bruder. Ama yine de vermiyor onu zaten wegen dem Trend. So yep, you guys probably spending more than $200 on the challenges, I'm sure, and manipulation model is way better than ICT once people sell in WOP for hundreds of dollars. Yeah, so I mean, there are people selling courses for, I don't know, 5K. One guy got exposed on Twitter like crazy. His first name starts with B, and his last name, I don't know, is from East Europe, I think. He's known as a German guy, but he's actually from East Europe, apparently. And he got totally exposed. 5K for a mentorship, which is fine if you actually provide value. But if you are just teaching a supply and demand strategy, that is basic stuff, and you are telling the people that you are a multi-millionaire trader, from trading and not from courses, then you are lying, you know. If you made 5 million from that mentorship, then be open about it and say that you didn't make a dime from trading and you are basically just living off of that. You know, I can't even understand how are these people making so much money from the courses. These people can't trade. He's selling a supply and demand strategy, and people actually pay 5K for that nonsense. You know, if I would charge 5K, that would be justified. But I don't even do that, like with our strategy. And I'm not saying that out of arrogance or whatever, but this actually works. Imagine, guys, like teaching someone this for 5K. This is what they teach right here. Demand. Boom, pay me 5K. That's a big joke. And that's a complete scam. Those people should be locked up, in total honesty. Like, and not be able to sell anything. I'm not sure, I'm not into that 100%, but that's what I saw on Twitter. One guy from the mentorship literally pulled out everything. Like, he broke down all the trades from all the mentors, and all mentors, I think 8 mentors are in that mentorship, and 8 mentors, all of them are negative except one guy, and that guy just bought gold and held that. I mean, that's it, you know. And they are from all that risk, they are down 250K, $250,000 are they are in drawdown right now in that mentorship. Crazy. And we are giving away these profitable trades here for free. Imagine that. So bump up the likes here. Let me check the likes. 27 likes. Very bad, guys. Very, very bad. Total honesty. I sacrificed selling my bike to buy the course, but the bigger picture is I can buy a new bike when I get funded in the future. Yeah, I mean, bro, you have to invest in yourself. Like, you know, I wish I would have found someone back in the day, someone real, you know, not someone who's trading demo accounts and not someone who is just faking his results, you know, 100 lots, 200 lots, whatever size, and it's all just fake, and there is no proven system, there are no statistics, you know. But unfortunately we did not we had to go through the journey our own, you know. So of course we learned from some people this and that, but what we are doing right now, you will not find a single guy on social media trading the same way we do, you know. You will just not find them because it doesn't exist, and if he does, he probably got it from us anyways. So yeah, welcome to all new visitors. Subscribe and like. Yes, like, open the ticket. Amazing, brother. Congrats on the indicator. Joel, I actually did a YouTube video. Yeah, just join. My name is mentioned. Yeah, bro. I had to tell it. Couldn't resist. I actually did a YouTube video showing how they dealt Donvo in real time, and even Raja used that video as marketing for his own broker. Yeah. I remember that video, bro, actually. I actually remember that video. Guy was getting dealt like crazy. And Raja, the salesman he is, using that to promote his own broker, huh? Crazy. He's a smart guy. He sees the opportunity and then he seizes the opportunity as well. Yeah. Yaban Mersini broker. Aynen kardeş. Öyle bir şey galiba. Bilmiyorum. Yaban Mersin diye bir meyve vardı galiba. Bernie. Yeah. Maybe, maybe not. Who was that guy? BS. Or was it somebody else? Cheers. Yeah, they are rumors, guys. But just go on Twitter, you know, like you will find it. Guy got exposed like crazy. And it's funny that people actually believed it, you know. Like the guy literally 1 year ago posted that he had 100% win rate. Who has 100% win rate? In total honesty, who? No one. Yeah. Rolling Lion, the only guy who has 100% win rate. And then there comes this guy and saying he has 100% win rate over a year period. Bro, just shut up, you know, like sit down, you know, like what's that? And this is, you know, these kind of things happen when people don't fear God, you know. If they are not God-fearing people, then you will see these kind of things. They will just lie straight up in your face and say, bro, I had a 100% win rate over a 1 year period, and now this private A-book prop firm is giving me multiple millions of dollars. And yeah, bro, sit down, you know. Like if you had a 100% win rate over a year, people will not give you like 1-2 million. People with a couple billion would knock on your door, you know, and probably shot you even, you know, maybe. So I've managed a 100% losing rate in the past, if that counts. Yeah, next time just take the opposite trades. Just take the opposite trades and then you will have a 100% win rate. Look at that. That's actually a crazy edge now that you have. A crazy strategy here. Just do the opposite SI trading. Where's the link to live to like it? To the live? What do you mean, bro? Just like it here. Thought gold will fly due to rate cut, it dumped, lol. Yeah, that's why I told you guys, these cuts, they don't matter at all, you know. All of that stuff is priced in long time ago. Did I care about cuts, whatever? No. I saw the 15-minute manipulation candle. I saw the signal. Indicator told me to short that thing. I short that thing and I got 430 points at that Asia low. Full position. Held that thing, 6R. And to be honest, I just took that... the link for the comments. Yeah, Hamza is gonna do that now. Let me actually... Like so yeah, to participate, like, share and comment on the indicator post to participate. Look at that. What is going on with gold here? No volume at all. Very, very interesting here. We went up 180 points and now we are ranging, and we have NYC coming up, boys and girls. Inverse Jim Cramer. Great. How about Ara Karbabian? I have no idea what that is. Really, like, honestly, I have no idea. Haha, Romeo is same as well. Yeah, I mean... yeah, whatever. You know, if you are looking at a guy and you see him, he's only calling hindsight trades. There is no live trading. There are no results verified by a third party. I'm not talking about any like shady broker here and there. No, by a third party, regulated broker, or from prop firms or whatever. Futures, you cannot fake anything. CFDs, maybe you can fake, but futures is legit, it's regulated. So do you see results like that? Do you see a proven edge? Do you see statistics? Can you replicate the results? You know, is the strategy simple? Is it 100% mechanical? All of those. It doesn't have to be 100% mechanical, to be honest, but if you want to replicate it, kind of has to be. So if you don't see all of those things, yeah, most likely that person is just doing anything but trading, really, you know. Yeah, check that post and like, comment, and share to join the giveaway. And you can comment as many times as you want. If you want, yesterday, I forgot who it was, but someone said, I didn't want whatever. Go ahead and now comment 100 times. If you are serious about winning this giveaway, comment 500 times, 700 times, 800 times. I'm gonna give you guys 1 hour for that giveaway. I'm gonna give you 1 hour, probably minimum half an hour. So if within that time frame, so now I'm gonna calculate that for you guys to really make you understand how much potential now you have. Let's give from 1 hour. So 60 minutes multiplied by 60 seconds divided by let's say 10. Let's say 10. So 360 comments is the bare minimum that you should be able now to do if you comment every 10 seconds. If you comment every 10 seconds, you can post up to 360 comments without getting any issues from YouTube as well. So, I mean, if you are serious about winning this giveaway, then that's what you should do. To be honest, like for example, me, I never ever won a giveaway. I think, yeah, I never ever won a giveaway ever, and I did all of those things and I still didn't win, you know, but didn't win. But at least I tried, you know. So that's what you guys should do. You should try your best. And to be honest, here on the stream, you have an extremely high chance of winning. Look, for example, I can check this chat and multiple guys won. Bombay Stock Exchange, you won, brother. Asif won. NBA won. Roaring Lion won. Greg, I'm not sure. Bless Ahmed, you won. Universe, you won. Advanced Numerology, I think you won also. Yeah, multiple guys won already, you know, because the stream is still small, but once we have 5, 10, 20, 50k people watching live, it will be tough. We'll give away more then. But while the stream is still small, take advantage of it, guys. Good day, lads. I've taken same trade, but I closed at 1 RR in profit. In yesterday's trade, how did you move your stop loss? Once it's 1 R in profit, move the stop loss. Then once you have 2 R, did you move SL to 1 R? Do you mean the FOMC trade, Laurie? Let me know if you mean that one. Can go into that. We're building up a bullish manipulation candle here, but we have no area of interest. Amazing. NYC opened, pushed up 100 points at this point. Boom, 100 points. Oh, 110 points. Never mind. Crazy. I won the indicator, bro. Still forever grateful here. Yeah. I'm glad you won it, brother. I'm glad, and I hope you win even more. Try to understand, you know, the why this indicator is printing the trades. Try to understand that, you know, and backtest. Use it, you know. You have 1 month, bro. This 1 month can change your life if you put in the work. No financial advice, of course. We'll keep watching. Yes, for now I'm watching. Lol, I've never won. I'm still sitting and waiting. Maybe today you will win. Saw USD NYC is yeah, Yeah, but which trade, brother? Nah, dünkü trade'i demiyor ya. Do you mean this trade from FOMC yesterday, the sell that we took 430 points? That beautiful trade that we took? Let me know if you mean that one. Or which trade do you mean? Tell me a time, brother. Lori. Lat. Funding Tick sent me my account details. I'm ready. Yeah, beautiful. But with futures, what I do, I get always 6 accounts or 5 free accounts. The max accounts that I can get, I get that because I can copy trade them very, very easy. And that's the beautiful thing about futures, man. You have such a crazy potential of scaling. Look at that. For example, I'm up about a little bit more about 2K on all of my 6 accounts on FundNext. And this is just one of my portfolios, you know, and that's around 12K right now. But if I would say, oh, I'm just up 2K, it's 2K. But if you then think about it, bro, you do that on 6 accounts, multiply that by 6. SubhanAllah, that's so much. The potential is crazy. And I'm seeing a beautiful, beautiful formation here. About to be on the 10-minute. Let's see. Is there an account and money? I don't get the question, brother. It will change our lives. Of course, the indicator is powerful on gold. Not only on gold, brother, but on gold, it's just working wonders, to be honest. To be honest, I'm so excited about the indicator myself that I don't know, sometimes like I'm too excited because we literally have now our own strategy as an indicator, you know. There is zero, absolutely zero human discretion at the moment. Because the indicator tells me short, I go in short. For example, yesterday, FOMC, 430 points right at the Asia lows right there. Indicator told me to short. Many people maybe would have been overthinking and saying, it's FOMC, I cannot take the short, whatever not. But no, it's just yeah, the indicator tells me to short, and the indicator doesn't know about FOMC, by the way. Yeah, the indicator doesn't know anything about the FOMC, but indicator still told me to short, and I went in short. Was I planning everything? Absolutely I was. But you guys don't have to do that. I'm just doing that because it's just a habit, you know, at this point. I come to the stream, I come to the session, come to my setup. I'm automatically, I'm doing my my pre-session routine. I'm doing my analysis. I'm planning, okay, boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna look for that. I'm gonna do that, this and that. You know, it's just a habit at this point. After all these years, you know. But you don't even have to do it with the indicator. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Together. Wa alaikum salam. Wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Roaring Lion. How can I change my conservative trading? Bro, don't change it. Conservative trading is good. You just need more capital. Once you have more capital, that conservative trading will make you some really, really good money. So don't worry about that. I would say I'd rather be a conservative trader than an aggressive trader, because an aggressive trader will likely lose more money than the conservative trader. Maybe will also make more money, but at the end of the day, it's about the consistency, you know. And with time, the more experience you get, you can do dynamic risk. So once you see an A+ setup, you can put on more size, you know. I think it was a buy position around afternoon, Dublin time. Yeah, you mean probably this buy right here, right? Maybe. Yeah. This buy right here. We took the profits right here. Actually, because we are on the stream, I cannot go into detail of that now. But what you can do, watch the trade recap on the main channel. Link in the description. Watch the trade recap, Lori. I went into detail and I explained literally everything, how we took that trade, how we managed that trade. So make sure to check the main channel for the trade recap. Yes, Funding Bros will go big very soon, inshallah, brother. Hello, I need to know that is there any other data provider other than NinjaTrader which provides services in Pakistan? Brother, I have no idea. You have to ask ChatGPT, brother. Pakistan. Only from you, bros, I want a challenge. Never in my life. I'm so grateful. Yeah, because I think a lot of people are just faking the giveaways, bro. There is even on Twitter, I saw one guy, he's called Giveaway Police or something. Really good, really like crazy idea, to be honest. I laughed a lot when I saw that account. Make sure to contact that guy if you want a giveaway and the guy is not giving you the account. Take him to that guy and hold him accountable for that. Farmer only, yeah, on gold. What about on gold, oil, BTC, Roaring Lion? I didn't get the question, brother. Are you using the group trading feature in TradeAway to copy trade your 6 accounts or third-party copy trade? I'm using the one on TradeAway. I got my first Apex challenge from you, bro. So grateful. Yeah, you're welcome, brother. Enjoy the accounts, and hopefully you pass that thing and get a nice payout and make some money in here. Time to pay some bills, guys. Because I made 11 profitable trades with the indicator and now waiting for a loss. Yeah, so be careful. A loss is around the corner, brother. TradeAway and NinjaTrader are not supported in Pakistan. Can you suggest? I have no idea, brother. Just check ChatGPT, please. 120 plus comments. Oh wow, really? Maybe we can hit the 1K comments this time. I'm telling you guys, if I would be you guys, I would put in 1K comments there. I'm not even joking. Make multiple accounts, whatever. Okay, no, actually, don't do that. I don't know the restrictions in Pakistan, but you can open accounts on mostly every broker. And if you using NT, then should be no problem anyways. Yeah, I don't know what NT is, but NinjaTrader. Yeah, it should not be a problem, maybe, apparently. I mean that the indicator really works on any symbols. Yes. Oh, wow, look at that. Nerede? Oh, wow. Look at that. I think this is a bull trap plus a short. But it's the opening candle. But yeah, the indices are dropping and I like to see that. I don't know why, but I love to see these assets dropping. Yeah, I think, oh, short here on. Yeah, does anyone know, guys, like during the night, I mean night for us, but afternoon in the US, the earnings were bad or what for Nvidia and the other companies? Microsoft, Meta, Nvidia. Maybe the earnings were bad, that's why NQ is dropping that hard. As I said yesterday, we need a 4-hour higher low. Yeah. I need a heavy bearish trend. And hopefully also gold can drop more. The monthly closure will be on Friday. On Friday, we will have the monthly closure. And I would love to see this thing drop more. And I think it will, you know, in total honesty, it probably will, because of all the FOMO that so many people are doing, you know. Even the grandmas who were about to, you know, like they say, 1 foot of them is already in the grave, but they wanted to buy gold. That's how much the FOMO was on gold. So a friend of mine, he asked me or his parents if they should buy gold or Bitcoin at the all-time highs. Of course I said no. This is not a time to buy, it's a time for profit taking. If you want to consider doing something, then you should consider maybe profit taking, but not buying at the all-time highs. That's also why we're ranging like this, because... Yeah, we are ranging like that because the big boys, they cannot sell that quick, you know. So it's not that easy. We are going towards the end of the year. They want to take profits, and it's gonna be a slow process. But once we see all of a sudden Russia, Ukraine, peace and whatever not, gold will be at 3,300 very, very fast. Flooded comments now. Yeah, flood them comments in, guys. I mean, I don't know. If you're serious about winning and you actually want to win, I would spam those comments in. Look at that 5-minute manipulation candle here. So most likely now something is about to happen. Candles look absolutely disgusting here, ranging for 3 hours now at this point on gold. But to be honest, we can actually be really patient, because if this 1 hour gets trapped, I see this asset going up higher than that. But let's see, we're also gonna check the indices here for later on if we get a setup there. Would have been nice for the open, but we would have not taken it. One good trade and we can be done for the day, guys. We can be done for the day. Question is this gold long that trade? Is this gold long the trade to be done for the day? Maybe, maybe not. All I know is we have no area of interest, but we already tapped the bullish one here. So maybe this was enough. And this thing will now fly up. Oh wow, look at that. That's a 10-minute. Ooh. 10-minute looking juicy here. Total honesty, it will also be a bear trap. Üzerine kapatırsa, NYM'in hensinin üzerine kapatırsa bear trap'i verecek. O da nicht. 3 dakikası var. 10 minute de verir. Bakalım ya, nicht so geil yani, um ehrlich zu sein. Yeah, heavy range, guys. I think with the 10 a.m. will make it clear. 10 a.m. will give the clear direction. But also some a setup that can form. If we get the bull trap here and close above the NYAM low, I think we will also get the bull trap. But we'll see. Joel, my favorite index Dow is going harder than Elon Musk's rocket. I will look for buys in the lower time frame if that 1 hour closes like that at 10 a.m. Let me see. Oh, wow. 1 hour giving the long here on YM. Wow. Yeah, this asset is something else. I think YM has the volume again. Look at that thing. Went up 400 points almost. Literally, like Joel said, it's going harder than Elon Musk's rockets here. Crazy stuff. Yeah. Nerede hala? Yok, bende yok. Yeah. Crazy stuff here. Can we get the bull trap on gold? I want to trade gold. I don't want to trade the indices, to be honest. Gold is giving so much easy money. I really want to trade gold, to be honest. Guys, please help and give back to Funded Brothers. It's a win-win. Yes, sir. Let's go. That's long. Yeah, I don't know, brother. Look at that 1 hour on YM. And we still have 10 minutes. I mean, this thing has to do a significant pullback for me to consider a long here. I'm not interested in buying this. You have 300, yeah, less than a 1-to-1 here. And you would have to put your stops on the 5 minutes for it to be worth it for your risk to reward, but there's absolutely nothing on the 5 minutes. So only because it's going up doesn't mean we can take it, boys. We need a nice setup here. Because it's went so much, you know. You need a risk reward. Only 10 likes, so 10 people are participating here on the giveaway. 10 people are participating here on the giveaway. 180 likes, comments, but only 10 likes. You have to be a subscriber. You have to like the stream, share it. Just support it, guys. I'm seeing NBA. He really wants the whatever. I don't know what he wants. The course or the Apex accounts. NBA. I'm seeing all over the comments NBA. Yeah, NBA really wants to win. The American Basketball League really wants these Apex accounts here. Yeah. The Americans always like their own products. So that's why they want the Apex accounts here. Yeah, Hamza actually has more knowledge on that. You went to America. How was it, brother? Like, are they really like that or what? Yeah. Hamza went to America, guys, for 1 year. The guy had enough from Europe. He was like 15 and he said, guys, I'm done. I'm moving to Phoenix, Arizona. I'm gonna see how life is up there. Yeah, he lived in California, Arizona, Phoenix, all of that. And then he was like, nah, man, too many crackheads. I come back, you know. There's so many crackheads there in California, so I'm done with that, he said. He said it's too hot there. Yeah, look at that. Casually 100 points on a 5 minute, by the way. Yeah, 100 points has been the new 10 points, I feel like, on gold. Retested the POC perfectly, by the way. Very interesting here. Yeah, coffee is losing we're losing the coffee here, the caffeine. You finished it? Yeah. Where's the cup, brother? Oh, wow. The balcony here. Back in the days. Yes. I have no bock of the indices. Yeah. I really have zero interest in the indices, to be honest. Hmm? Benim de. Ben gideyim o zaman. Sonra sen git. Yeah. Yes, add me in. And we have, and here we are with the golden mouse. Yeah, look at that. So, let's pay attention here. Because I think this bear trap should show up. Right? Let's see. And we will also have a bear trap on the 1 hour. Wow. I'm not sure if it's gonna show up, but look at that. Let's see. Ja, das war. Ja, die war einfach schon sehr stark. Yapacak bir şey yok. This year you can start to get independent financially. Yeah. Joel Dow buys not interesting anymore. It shoot up to my TP area to the previous day NYC volume area. Now I would love a reversal. Yeah. Hopefully, brother. I don't know. Gold's supposed to be bullish. I mean, Trump got a gold crown from the east. Really? And here we are, the golden bros. We hit 40 viewers here. Share the stream, guys. So we hit the 50 likes for the giveaway. Let's go. This channel is awakening here. Gold flying, gold is pumping. Yes, gold is pumping. I mean, the move will be there. So we ranged for 3 hours here. We ranged for 3 hours, so the move, something will happen here. Something is going to happen here. Is the indicator shut down for a few days? I had it till 17 now, but it already ended. Yeah, did you quit your cancel your subscription or what? But it's in maintenance now. You have to wait a couple days and then it will be available again. Yeah, you had a giveaway, I think. But you have to wait now, brother. Let's be a bit patient, and in a couple days you guys will be blessed with the indicator again. This year I will master the strategy, and 2025 will be the year of my life, and my baby girl's life will turn around. I'm so excited for the future. Inshallah, brother. If you put in the work, it will happen. Trust me, like, I believe really, like, if you put in the work, you can do what that you can actually fulfill your potential of your destiny, you know. Everything is written anyways, but give your best, you know. Put in maximum effort, so because when God sees that you put your maximum effort, he rewards the servants who give everything. Everyone has their own potential, you know. My cup is maybe this, but maybe your cup is this. You have a much more potential than me, but it's about filling up your own potential. 1 hour. Your long alert didn't appear on this 5-minute candle. Yes, because there was no area of interest level, brother. You are a Sherlock, Ahmed. Yesterday you say. What did I say yesterday? Share this channel in 11 big FP trading groups today. Amazing, brother. Really appreciate it. Greg, I don't know what you mean, brother. What did I say yesterday or today? Advanced. Can we trade the manipulation indicator or any time frame? And if the indicator does allow to be traded on higher time frames, will the notification be sent to buy and sell with the TPs? Yeah, you get it. You will get a notification once a setup appears. You know, that's when you get a notification, and you can trade it technically on any time frame. But of course, the lower the time frame, the lower the win rate. For example, the 10-minute has a much higher win rate than the 1 minute, of course. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead and comment on the giveaway post, guys. Take advantage of that. 200 comments. I think we can do more than that. Like and comment. Comment 100 times, 200, 500 times. If you're serious about winning, comment as many times as you can. I'm seeing NBA all over the place. El Chapo NBA commented the whole time. He really wants to win. What is he saying? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What is that, bro? Indicate alhamdulillah, guys. God first. Alhamdulillah. I hope I win. Inshallah, guys. Inshallah. Discipline, alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum, guys. Inshallah. Trading is hard, but with indicator is simple. Yeah. Best guy. I think indicator should win. NBA should win. Look at that. We have some serious volume here. Even if you would have trailed your stops here on the 1 minute, would have survived here up until this. So the trail stop is now this here. You would give away. Wow. Volume ne lan? O 70. Krank bro. Subhanallah, acayip bir şey var. Volume. So anyways, guys, but if we stay focused, the original plan was to look for these areas to get a short here. But I think, oh, wow, look at that. Okay. So yeah, let's look at everything. Now, 1 hour closed. We have some crazy action here. So 1 hour, we had a bearish manipulation candle. Not really, I mean, it was, it barely took out the high. But now we have a bullish one. So quickly, I'm gonna watch the charts like a hawk and evaluate here everything. If this is actually bullish or if this makes everything even more bearish. That's what I'm gonna evaluate now. Yeah, it's tricky. It's very, very tricky. Burayı derse kapsa indikete verir mi? İyi. Yeah, we are in a very, very tricky position here. Very, very delicate situation here, guys. Yeah.
We're almost at 50 likes, by the way. Bump up those likes, guys.
Pump up the likes, 50 likes for the giveaway, guys. elde geldi. Verir mi? Verir yani ama very tricky. Tam gidebilirsin bu. Hemen git de ben de gideyim. Yeah, let's see guys. Nothing for now. We have to wait. Very boring as of right now. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, YM went up way too much. Way too much. I'm just checking everything now. Yeah. Gold also went up too much and didn't give an entry. If this 5 minute would have tapped this area right here, we would have gotten the long. The indicator would have also given the long and TPs would have been smacked, but it is what it is, you know? Rules are rules. We're gonna wait for additional confirmations here, and guys, smack those smack the like button here so we can get the giveaway here. Don't forget, we're gonna do the giveaway at 50 likes. We have 43 people watching. 8 more people have to give the like here for you guys to win. And the giveaway post only has 11 likes, guys. It's very low. So 12 people are participating on the giveaway. Thank you for the answer. What's the news? We got gold flying. Advanced, I like your name. If a manipulation candle forms at the area of interest level, then a long setup will appear and we can take that trade. But if it doesn't form that way, then no long will appear and we don't take the trade. Your smile is amazing. I appreciate it, brother. But, yes, exactly. That's it basically. But that's why this 5 minute did not give the long signal, because we did not tap the FEG here. Bro, as I see it, bottom low volume node is the retest and long from there. You mean here? It retests this? I can check the NYSE low volume here. Yeah, nothing for now. If you could start your trading journey all over again, what would you do step by step? I would buy the indicator, I would buy the course, I would spam Kadir and Hamza all day, every day with questions and really like annoy them and get funded within at maximum probably 2 months. Make payouts in the 3rd month, and yeah, that's what I would do. Because it's very easy if you know what you are supposed to do. It's very easy with trading. The only issue, the reason why I lost time was I didn't know what I was supposed to do. And look at that volume, guys. We just went up around 500 points. 400. Yeah, crazy volume. That 1 hour closed very strong. Did you see the Warren Buffett indicator? No, brother, I don't know. Does that exist or you're joking? Okay, long-term investing. Yeah, I don't know. I really hope to win this, especially the course. I'll jump on it almost immediately, put my wife and kids out of the house till I'm done. Yeah, do that. My keyboard is blocked because of the many comments. Yeah, bro, go for it. I mean, I would put in 1,000 comments here to win. Still only 200 comments. Very low. Come on, brothers. 12 people have made 210 comments. That's crazy. Yeah, low volume node should be between value area high and value area low. Doesn't have to be, brother. Yeah, crazy, crazy, crazy, crazy. We're pumping like crazy. Yeah, smash through all the low volume nodes here. Yeah. Low volume node should be between. Yeah, indeed. Direction is key. Look at that thing. Yeah, that's exactly why I wanted to trade gold, but yeah, we did not get the entry signal. Very, very unfortunate, guys. Very, very, very unfortunate. And also right here, we missed the... Why is it not showing the FUG anymore? Watch. İyi kaçtım bro. What was that? Okay. Yeah, just got in on a short here on NQ. My entry is exactly at 87. Right here. Indicator is showing the short here. This is the 1-to-1 here. Let's see. Gonna put my take profit here, my sell limit here. Let's see how this goes. Should be a nice continuation to the downside. Absolutely worth to take. Unfortunate that we didn't get the long on gold. Indicator didn't show it up, but NQ is showing up the short, so I can. That's it. Extension is too much. So yeah. Okay, running in some nice profits. Not want da. 24. Boss. And go. Okay. Let's see how the 5 will close. It will also be the 15-minute candle closure. Should be good to go. Yeah. And then ideally we should get the continuation with the new 15 and then a weak fill on the 1 hour. Seninki kaç? 7. Okay. Let's see. 15 is gonna close doji. 5 is not closing good. Let me check really quick. Can we get an immediate weak fill? That's the question. Okay, good reaction for now. Let's see if we can break the low and continue with momentum. $15-minute close super bad, so that's why I'm looking closely here. Want to see a weak fill to the downside. Ekstradan gönderirseler yoksa bak niye mi? Bad limit ama. Dikkat et de. Otuz girmişin 24. Okay, giving the bull trap on the free. Should be an easy ride to TP now. Let's see. Come on, NQ. Come on NQ. Boom boom boom. Bir arada biraz fazla girdik bu arada. Şu an bile 400 gördüm şurada. Sorry, çok iyi. Çünkü entry burada yani daha. Ya definitif. Das ist ein Taurus. Şu an fark ettim. Hazırda dur da. Okay, 3 minute also gave the bull trap here. So we should see a flush down most likely. Aber nehmen. Direkt. 24. Ya ben de aldım. Just took a little bit off here because I realized that I went in with a bit too much. Slightly more risk than I was supposed to take. That's why I took out a little bit here. Gonna readjust my stop my contracts here for the stop loss. I'm gonna put my stop loss also to break even, guys. So yeah, and this is not something of course, I mean, in this case it played out, but that's why when I realized it, I took off a little bit here, and I'm gonna put my final TP around the lows. So yeah, very nice trade for now. We are at the PDL. It should just continue to flush down. If it does not, then most likely it will not take this low for now. 85.5 benim şey. İyi. Okay. Was a good decision to take that a little bit off there, because of course if it drops, I will drop. I will make much more money, but it's not worth it. I don't need that to risk a little bit more. Let me check the chat for a little bit. Another Q, Kadir. Does the indicator send an email to your email address when it sees a potential trade? No, brother. Actually, maybe you could do that on TradingView. You could do that. You can do that actually with TradingView. SMS, normal alert, all of that. My boss, I have met the criteria to request a payout on Quant Tackle, but the schedule is next Friday. Can I request it now? I have no idea, brother. Why do you ask me? Just ask the support of I'm not the support agent of any firm. When does funding takes 50% discount ends? Within 20 hours. Reminder to people here to drop a like on the live. Yes, sir. What time frame do you like trading the most? New York session. 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern. That's what time frame? 5 minutes. 5 minutes is my favorite time frame. 500 up for the day. Amazing. For now, I'm not up that much, but that could change. Now, let's see. Can we get a heavy drop in here? İşte bu bak bro. 20 gereken 3'tü. En baba. Şey en kötü o çok kötü. Golf'te çok rahatsın. Hani adjustment çok kolay. Ja. Zu spät war der Entry bisschen. Das macht auch viel aus, Bruder. Anyways, what a ride. Yes, my boss I have met, brother. I just told you, I'm not a support agent, brother. I asked to support. You take partials? Yeah, yeah, like that. Oh, let's go. TP smacked, guys. TP smacked. Very, very easy. I'm looking to overall target this low here. If you get that. But the TP right here is smacked for now. Şuna mı? How rare are losing months? To be honest, the first losing month in a long while I had was in July after like 2 years. But it can happen, of course it can happen. Anything can happen in trading, guys. Just manage your risk, but the losing month was not a crazy losing month. I was down 2R, I think, for the month. Okay, 5-minute closed. Do we get an immediate weak fill in here? This looks so disgusting. Let's change this here. Cannot identify the candles whatsoever. Too overwhelming here with the indicator. Yeah, the moment we break the slow, I can look to put it around here, I think. Love from Pakistan. Appreciate it, brother. Push down. You take partials, brother. Yes, I did. Okay, let's see. Can we get the continuation to the downside in here? Ya atalım. Şey kırdığı an at ya. And also you guys have 5 more minutes for the giveaway. Three more minutes, sorry. So enter as many comments as you can in these 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna draw the winners, boys and girls. While I manage this trade here. And also the 30-minute candle is gonna close, by the way. I'm looking to see a stronger closure here. Let's check out the 1 minutes. Aslında karşı einfach closen. Ya. Zaten bir şey kalmadı şeye de. Let's see. Can we continue here from the PDL here? Overall target would be this, taking out the NYC low. taking out the high and then taking out the low. That's the overall target here. Ya bakalım ya. Büyük ihtimal earningler falan bayağı kötü oldu da öyle dropluyor şimdi böyle. Ha iyi oldu, ondan sonra fake ya. Aynen olabilir. Ya bu işte. So 2 minutes left, 1 minute left on the clock. Last minute, will it be a heavy drop here or rejection? That's the question here. If we drop, we can make additional 1k maybe, hopefully. Gold also having a pullback. Nice. So 30 minute is gonna close. 5 minute didn't do anything. Most likely we'll get the volume now with the new 30, but probably to the upside and take out the high here first. Wow, look at that. Took out the high here. 5 minute candle didn't do anything here. That's why you're seeing that move. Yeah. Can we flip in here? That's the question.
Stop filled.
Okay, it just took me out here. Trade my stop there. So yeah, that trade is done. It may drop from here again, but yeah, whatever, you know. Yeah, gold having a pullback. Yeah, let's see. Anyways, I'm gonna draw the giveaway winners here. And then we're gonna call it a day. 1 hour win, nothing too crazy. Yeah, 400 on each account. We have 100% win streak for now on the stream for past days and this week. Yeah, so I'm gonna draw the giveaway now. We have And look at that, guys, how generous we are. We didn't hit the 50 likes, but we're still gonna do the giveaway. That's how, because we are the good guys, you know. We are good guys, and that's why we will still do the stream, still do the giveaway. So I'm gonna do the 2 Apex accounts first and load up all the comments here. Okay, I loaded up everything. Now I'm gonna draw the winner, yeah? Apex accounts first. Okay, I close my eyes. I will go through all of them, scroll down, and boom. Young Chef. Yendi mi bu şey daha önce? This Young Chef, you just won an Apex account, brother. Congratulations. Hopefully your country is available. Open a ticket in the Discord. I'm gonna directly draw the other winners here. Rosanne, right here. Rosanne, you just won this second Apex account. Are you guys fine with the Apex account, or you want the course? Let me know with that. Oder nicht? You guys can choose if you want the course or Apex account. Say it now, please, so we can continue. Please let us know. You have 10 more seconds, guys. Come on. Please, Apex. But why Frederick? What? Rosanne won. Rosanne and Jungchef, you guys won. So, do you want the Apex account or the course? You can get any size. Up to 300 K. Come on, please. Let's get it going here. Rosanne, if you left the stream, I will draw another winner. Because if you left the stream, you lose your chance of winning. Okay, Jungchef, you just saved your price. Rosanne, I'm gonna give it another 30 seconds. If Rosanne left the stream, we will draw another winner, because that is unfair to the guys who are still on the stream here. Ya bir tane daha çekeceğiz. Yeah, I'm gonna draw a new winner because Rosanna is not answering. Unlucky, feels bad, but nothing I can do, you know, because you have to be here on the stream, guys, if you want to win. If you leave, oh, right here, okay. Yeah, very, very close here, Rosanna. So, course or Apex? Tell it, please. You won. Please tell us that very fast, please. Okay, you got the course. So one more course and one more Apex. I'm gonna draw now. Let's see. Why is my mouse bugging? Wait, okay. So I'm gonna draw now. SI Trading. So you just won the second Apex account, brother. I'm gonna draw the next winner, and that's the course. Boom. Okey, that's NBA. Ama ya şu ne kurs ki onun. So. Boom. NBA won the course. That's it, guys. Open a ticket in the Discord. He doesn't want the course. He only wants the money. I win already, brother, already. Ya bak dedim çıkıyor. Hachon den course gewonnen. Yeah. I thought that you won already the course. I'm gonna do it again. Dedim çünkü. Ya o da yendi. Right here. Phil. Gold Rush. Phil Gold Rush, open a ticket to claim your course. And yeah, 4 winners today for the giveaways. And yeah, Young Chef, you won the Apex account. Rosanna won the course. Phil Gold Rush won the course, and SI Trading won the Apex accounts. Congratulations, everyone. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm gonna continue my day. Alhamdulillah, we made profits. I mean, nothing crazy, but profits are profits, so I'll take it. And yeah, see you guys. Take care. And the winners, don't forget to open a ticket. And if you didn't win, don't be sad. The stream is very, very small. You have a high chance of winning next time. Take care, guys, and see you guys. Bye bye. Take care.